If you wanted to block one specific website or a group of websites from your iPhone, no matter which browser you're in, Safari, Firefox, Google Chrome, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that so that you or a child or a teenager cannot access them. So let's jump right in. Tap on the Settings app of your iPhone, scroll down, tap on Screen Time, scroll down again, tap on Lock Screen Time Settings. You're going to choose a screen time passcode. This is not the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone. This is something that only you will know, and it essentially allows you to be able to set those blocked or banned websites and the other person or anyone else to not be able to change them. So in my case, I'm just going to choose 1111, but you should choose something a bit more difficult. You can choose to set a screen time password recovery, but I'm just going to hit cancel and then hit skip. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle it on at the top. So if that is turned off, just toggle it on. Next, tap App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Scroll down, tap on Web Content. If this is set to unrestricted, you'll be able to see, let me enter in that password, any website, no matter what, will be able to be visited. However, I can choose Limit Adult Websites and then tap on Add Website under Never Allow. From here, I can add any website that I wanted to. So let's say I wanted to block ESPN.com. I can hit the check mark, and just like that, ESPN.com will be blocked no matter what if you're on Safari, Google Chrome, or Firefox. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.